In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add your name on your iPhone lock screen. You can simply add your name on your screen in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your phone settings. Select the option of focus right here. On this page, tap on this plus icon. Select the first option of custom. Type in any name of your own choice. You can also change to any color. Then choose any sticker of your own choice. Tap on next and your name will get added successfully. Get back and select right here to enable this option on. Whenever you enable focus on your iPhone, your name will always appear on your lock screen. That's how easy it is to add your name to your iPhone lock screen. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.